Welcome back to Going Off Grid. We're on the cabin today. We're on the porch roof. I already started putting down the strapping. Didn't want to bore you with all that, but we got this side done. So we're just about ready to start putting some metal on here. I'm gonna do the face boards out there on the end later. I'm just trying to get this roof covered. So still have this side to finish off. So watch along. It's the next morning here. Didn't realize the GoPro, I guess, shut off while we were doing the roof strapping. So we didn't get to show all that, but it's all done. Still got a face board to add to the end later, but I just as soon get the metal on for now. Got Shane here again helping out. So we're ready to start putting up the roofing metal. We got it laid out, pre-drilled. Ready to go on. We're gonna be putting black metal roof on here. I think it'll look good on the cabin out here in the woods. But there it is, ready to start putting metal on, so watch along. That was a hot one. So we got all the full sheets down. Doesn't look too bad. We're gonna go down and I'm gonna rip that piece for out on the end and put that on. Then this section's done. Then when we build up this roof here, this is gonna get 4 inches of insulation on here, styrofoam sheets. That'll go down under there part way. Then when we build that up, we'll put our wood strapping on, and then we'll be able to finish this metal. So let's cut this piece for here and get it put on. Okay, so we got that last piece cut, screwing it down here now. We just used the utility knife to cut that, ran it down through, scored it a couple times, and then folded it in half, snapped it right off. So we'll finish screwing this one fast, and then this lower section on the porch roof is done. it for the metal on this lower section. I'm gonna close this off here with some ice and water shield for now, till we can get up here again and I get some more help. That'll make it easier. Get the rest of this insulation on and then finish this metal on this side. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.